Good day, everyone. This is your favorite poultry farmer. My name is Valentine Godson, and you're welcome to Poultry Setup. Today, we're going to talk about something you rarely hear in the chicken world, which is called torticolis, otherwise known as wry neck. Torticolis is a condition that causes a chicken neck to twist into unnatural position. Torticolis is a condition that causes a chicken neck to twist into unnatural position. There are some factors that causes torticolis. Torticolis is the point whereby your chicken neck will be bent, will be twisted sideways. Let's assume this is a chicken, and the neck will be bent facing the back. That is called a wry neck in chicken. So most times, most of we farmers, when we encounter deficiency in chicken, we'll be like scared that our chicken will not survive it, or maybe something has happened. It is a muscle that grows in the neck of the chicken. Number one factors that we must observe is vitamin deficiency. A lack of vitamin E and selenium is a common cause of wry neck in chicks, especially if the parent stock are not fed a well-balanced diet. In this case, if you are having issues of wry neck in your poultry farm, you don't need to be scared or worry about anything. All you need to do at first, the moment you sight it, take off that bed from the poultry farm. Take that bed away from the poultry farm. Then you isolate it. Isolating it by taking it to a place that particular affected bed can be, so that if it is a contagious disease, other of the poultry beds will not contact it in your farm. Mind you, it is not all torticolis that is a contagious disease. I mean, it is not all wry neck that is a contagious disease. It can be as a result of maybe your chicken is being pierced with a needle or sharp object in the head. That can also cause wry neck. I will tell you a lot of reasons, but there is no particular reason for a chicken to have a wry neck. There are multiple factors that makes your chicken to have wry neck. Like I said, a lack of vitamin E and selenium is a common cause of wry neck in chicks, especially if the parent stock are not fed a well-balanced diet. So if you are having issues of torticolis or wry neck, all I will advise you is to quickly go to a vet store and get selenium and vitamin E. That will help strengthen your chicken's neck and put the muscle in place. If your chicken is lacking vitamin E, there's every tendency that it will develop wry neck. Most of the feed that we offer to our birds contains selenium, and selenium is a mineral. Contains selenium and mineral. So vitamin E and selenium helps your chicken to correct vitamin deficiency. Talking about isolating your poultry bed, you must isolate the poultry bed, because if it is a contagious disease like the Newcastle disease, which is virus, it is likely for other of your birds to contact that particular disease. Now, wry neck in poultry farm has to be handled with care. If your poultry farm is having a bed suffering from wry neck, you must isolate that bed. I repeat, you must isolate that bed, because if it is a contagious disease, that other beds will be contacted. Why? Because wherever that chicken poo on, where the chicken defecate on, where the chicken poo on, where the chicken shits on, that place is already contacted. So if any chicken should come around that environment, that place, they are likely to contact that particular disease called wry neck, otherwise torticolis. The video that you'll be watching right now is one of the chick in a farm I went to that has this particular wry neck disease, of which it has been rectified. Now, if you're having issue with a wry neck, if you're having problem in your farm, which is the problem of your chicken or your chick having a wry neck, all you need to do, isolate that chicken, quickly get selenium and vitamin E, or you can use viral treats. Viral treat is also an antibiotic. Use antibiotics that can help prevent Newcastle disease and the rest of it all. Give your chicken that particular drug. I tell you, in the space of 24 hours to 3 days, that bird will be fine. That bird will be fine. The muzzle will be in place and the neck will be stretching. Give them alongside, treat them with viral treat, antiviral, any antibiotic that is help to prevent Newcastle disease, etc. It will help strengthen its neck alongside the vitamin that they are giving to your birds. All right, in this case, you can see the chicken is suffering from wry neck, a very serious one. It cannot stand on its own. If it wants to relax, it has to push the head on the ground due to insufficient vitamin E and selenium when it tries to eat, but it cannot. You can see I'm feeding the bird and also using the injection, the syringe to inject water into the mouth of the bird so as for it to aid its digestion after taking care of the bird by putting feed in his mouth. This issue of wry neck was immediately attacked while we noticed it on the bird. So we isolated the bird, take care of the bird, and gave the bird viral treat. Viral treat also is a very good antibiotic that helps to prevent Newcastle disease, Gumboro, and some other virus that attacks poultry birds. So there are some causes of wry neck in chicken. There are so many causes of wry neck in chicken. Chicken do not have a particular cause of wry neck. A change of position or an environment can cause wry neck to your chicken. So some of the causes of wry neck in a chicken. Number one cause of wry neck in a chicken is head injury. Head injuries, trauma to the head or neck due to an accident or attack by another animal can damage the nerves and muscles, which sometimes leads to wry neck. Another causes of wry neck is vitamin deficiency. Vitamin deficiency. If birds are fed an incorrect diet that is vitamin deficient, and more especially if it does not contain enough vitamins, and that bird is prone to have vitamin deficiency, and which can as well cause wry neck in your chickens. Another cause of wry neck in your chicken is toxicity. Should your bird accidentally consume any toxin substances such as lead or pesticide, it may result in a neurological condition like wry neck. Mind you, there is no toxin of any kind that is good to your poultry bird. Another cause of wry neck in a chicken is infectious disease. How does infectious disease causes wry neck in a chicken? A few less common viral and bacterial disease also may cause wry neck, especially those that infect the inner ear. The result is loss of coordination and balance. Well, the last on my list today is Newcastle disease. Newcastle disease is also a very strong cause of wry neck in chicken, because Newcastle disease is a contagious viral avian disease affecting many domestic and wild bird species. It is transmissible to humans. Though it can infect humans, most cases are non-symptomatic. Rarely, it can cause a mild fever and influenza-like symptoms and conjunctivitis in humans. Its effects are most notable in domestic poultry due to their high susceptibility and the potential for severe impact of epizootic on the poultry industries. It is endemic to many countries. No treatment for Newcastle disease is known, but the use of prophylactic vaccines and sanitary measures reduces the likelihood of outbreak. Wry neck can take on several different forms and is caused when a chicken's neck muscle spasms and pull the head and neck into unnatural position. The technical term for wry neck is Torticolis, but it can also be referred to as crook neck or stargazing. Although
Stargazing is a specific form of wryneck that most commonly affects young chicks. Wryneck can cause a chicken to have difficulty keeping its balance and maneuvering around its environment. It can also inhibit a chicken from eating or drinking properly.
Alright, I believe the video you just watched right now is very helpful. We shouldn't be scared whenever we see issues on our farm. It is a stepping stone, and it's also something we must learn and to know how to overcome it when next it happens. Please kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you subscribe before, kindly click on the bell notification button so that when I post an educative video like this, you will be the first to get it. All right, thank you so much, and I appreciate. My name is Valentine Godson, and you are welcome to Poultry Setup.